Friends, now we discuss about a relation. You know about a cross product for two non-null set. Like as a set A is equal to if we have AB and set B is equal to C, D, E. Then a cross product of these two set is equal to, we know that A cross B is equal to set of all order pair whose first element is element of a first set and the second is the element of a second set. So here create all order pair. Start with A. So A, C, A, D. Similarly A, E. Now with B, B, C, B, D and B, E. Clear? So this is a cross product. Now remember this relation is a subset of A cross B. So subset of A cross B are said to be relation. Here we have subset of A. Remember this first AC, second similarly with a single element AD, AE. Clear? Similarly with two elements AC, AD, AC, AE. Similarly with three elements, with four elements. So remember this here. All subset of A cross B are said to be relation from A to B. Clear? So remember this relation for non-null set A and B. The subset of A cross B are called relation from A to B and is denoted by R. Remember this. Now second element of each order pair of all relation are said to be image of a first element. Like as if we have xy belongs to R, xy is a element of a relation R, then y is called the real image of x. Clear? So image of x. Here y is called image of x. Clear? Now for a relation first, set of all element of a first order pair. Here for this relation, set of a first element of this order pair A becomes a domain of this relation. Like as for this relation which contain two elements. So first element of each order pair, here A, only we have A. So set A is called a domain. Clear? And second element of each order pair is called range of this relation. Like as for this relation, range is a set C. For this relation, range is set D. And for this relation, range is a set E. Similarly, for this relation, range is C, D. And for this relation, range is a C, E. Clear? Or C, D. Clear this? Now, for relation R from A to B, B is called codomain of this relation. Now here remember this student. Here A contain 2 elements, B contain 3 elements, then A cross B contain 2 into 3, that is becomes 6 elements. So number of subset of A cross B is equal to 2 raised to 6. And all 2 raised to 6 number becomes a relation from A to B. So remember this here. If number of element of A is equal to n and the number of element of B is equal to m, here n, then number of element of A cross B is equal to, we know that m into n. Therefore number of subset of A cross B, number of subset is equal to 2 raised to becomes m into n, and all becomes relation from A to B. So if A contain n elements, B contain m elements, then number of subset from A to B is equal to 2 raised to m n. Clear? A relation R on a set of a natural number n, R is equal to xy, such that y is equal to x plus 5 and x is a natural number less than 4, x less than 4 given. Depict the relationship using roster form. Write down a domain and a range. In a roster form, remember this here. If we take a first element x, then second element becomes a 5 more than a x. So if we take a first element 1, then the second element becomes a 1 plus 5, 6. If we take a 2, then 2 plus 5, 7. 3, then 8. 4, then 9. Here value of x less than 4 given. Clear? So relation R becomes 1 6 2 7 3 8 4 9. Now think about domain. Domain is equal to, domain is a first element of each order pair, 1 2 3 4. Codomain is a n. And what you say about a range? Range is a second element of each order pair, 6 7 8 and 9. Clear? Similarly, in a question number 3, let A is equal to 1 2 3 5 and set B is equal to 4, 6, 9. Define a relation R from A to B. R is equal to xy such that difference between x and y is odd. X minus y is odd, where x belongs to A and y belongs to B. Write R in a roster form. Student, we know that difference of any two numbers is odd. If one number is even, then a second number is odd. That is, one is odd and one is even, second is even, then difference between these two numbers is odd. You know. So in this relation, if we select a first element odd, then second elements we select even. 1, 4, 1, 6. Now with 2, 2, 9. Now with 3, 3, 4, 3, 6. 3 is odd, 9 is also odd. Now with 5, 5, 4, select a second even. 5, 6. Clear this? So for this relation, domain becomes 1, 2, 3 and 5. Domain is equal to 1, 2, 3 and 5. What is the codomain? Codomain is equal to second set B. And what is the range? Range of this relation is a set of second element of each order pair. 4, 6, 9. Clear? So this becomes a range. Okay. Now question number 4 given. 4. In a figure, a relationship between the set P and Q, P 5, 6, 7, 3, 4, 5. Write this relation 5 with 3, 6 with 4 and 7 with 5 given. In the set Buller form and a roster form. Remember this here. If we take a first element 5, then the second element 3. Difference between these two is 2. 6 first, then the second is 4. Difference is 2. Similarly, for 7 and 5, difference is 5. So first in a roster form, 5, 3, 6, 4, 7, 5. Now in a set builder form, x, y, here difference between these two, x is equal to, or y is equal to x minus 2. and x belongs to 5, 6, 7, y belongs to 3, 4, 5. Clear? Or in a second form, xy, such that y is equal to x minus 2, x belongs to A, y belongs to B, where A is equal to 5, 6, 7 and B is equal to 3, 4, 5. Clear this? Now question number 5. Let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Let R be relation on A defined by R is equal to AB such that AB belongs to A and B is exactly divisible by A. B is divisible by A, exactly divisible by A. B is divisible by A. That means B is a multiple of A. So we create all order pair in such a way that second element becomes multiple of first elements. If we take a first element 1, then second becomes multiple of 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. Now with 2, multiple of 2, 2, 2, 2, 4, 2, 3, 6. Now with 3, 3, 3, 3, 6. Clear? Now with 4, there only 4. Now with 6, only 6. Because second element is a multiple of 4 and lies in this set A. If we take 8, but 8 is not element of a set A. So 4, 4. Similarly for 6. Clear? Now what you say about domain? Write yourself. Domain. Domain, you know that first element of each order pair becomes domain. That is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. Range. Range is the second element of each order pair. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 becomes a range. Clear? Now question number 6. Determine the domain and range of a relation are defined by R is equal to x, x plus 5, x belongs to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Find the domain and range. Just try to solve this yourself. Question number 7. Write the relation R. X, x raised to 3. X is a prime number less than 10. Think about a prime number less than 10. 1 is odd but not prime. 2 is even prime. 3, 4 is not a prime. 5, 6 is not prime. 7, 8 is a prime, 7 is a prime, 8 is not a prime, 9 is not a prime. So prime number less than a 10, 2, 3, 5, 7. Now replace x by 2. So here 2, 2 raised to 3, 8. Similarly for 3, 27, 5, 125, and for 7, 243. And write down domain, range, codomain, that is required terms. Here only given that write in a roster form. Now question number 8. Let A is equal to xyz. A is equal to x, y, z. Set B is equal to 1, 2. Find the number of relations from A to B. We know that if A contain m elements, B contain n elements, then number of relation from A to B is equal to 2 raised to m into n. Here A contain 3 elements, B contain 2 elements, set B contain 2 elements. Therefore relation from A to B becomes 2 raised to 3 into 2. So is equal to 2 raised to 6. Clear? Now question number 9. Let R be relation on Z defined by R is equal to AB. AB belongs to Z. Remember this relation. R is equal to AB. AB belongs to Z, and A minus B is an integer. Find the domain and range. What do you say about this relation? Here order pair AB in such a way that difference of two integer is also integer, and we know that here difference of any integer becomes a integer. So domain becomes a Z, and codomain becomes a also Z, and the range is also Z. Clear? Because for every integer difference becomes a integer. Clear?